Hey everyone, it's Christmas time, and Mikolo Fitness sent me some awesome gifts to check out. We've got a rectangular present and a square one. Let's start with a smaller square one. Okay, inside we've got a Mikolo change plate set. This is perfect because even though I have larger weight plates, I've wanted to increase weight more incrementally on certain lifts, but I couldn't until now. So a huge thank you to Mikolo. Let's go ahead and pull these plates out. It looks like we've got a variety of color-coded plates, which is super helpful and makes them easy to identify. We've got a pair of 10-pound plates, a pair of 5-pound plates, a pair of 2.5-pound plates, and a pair of 1.25-pound plates. They all look great, have a rubber-coated finish, and are easy to grip onto. I'm really excited about these because now I can safely and effectively apply progressive overload to my training. If you're interested in a change plate set like this, check out the link in my description. Now that I've got all these weight plates, I wish I had somewhere to put them. Maybe the other present from Mikolo can help. Let's go see what's inside in the video in the top right. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!